Meaning of Euro-sceptic.
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 Euro-sceptic. Euro-sceptic is a term used to describe someone who is skeptical or critical of the European Union and its policies. Eurosceptics believe that the EU has too much power, is undemocratic and interferes too much in the affairs of its member states. They may also be opposed to the idea of further integration within the EU, such as the adoption of a common currency or closer political union. The result of this skepticism can be seen in the rise of populist and nationalist movements across Europe, as well as the British vote to leave the EU in 2016.